The allure of Mars has captivated humanity for centuries. Imagine a future where humans walk freely on Martian soil, breathing Martian air. Terraforming, the process of making another planet habitable for humans, presents an exciting, albeit challenging, possibility. Scientists have proposed various methods to achieve this transformation, including melting the Martian polar ice caps to release water and introducing greenhouse gases to warm the planet. The goal is to create an atmosphere thick enough to protect against harmful radiation and support liquid water on the surface. However, the path to a Martian oasis is fraught with ethical considerations. Is it our right to alter another planet so drastically? What are our moral obligations to preserve the current state of Mars, even if it appears barren and lifeless? We must consider the potential impact on any existing Martian life, the long-term environmental consequences, and the implications for future generations. The dream of a Martian oasis must be tempered with a responsible approach that considers the broader implications of our actions. The future of Mars, and perhaps even humanity, depends on the choices we make today. The concept of terraforming Mars raises profound ethical questions about our role in the universe. Are we entitled to reshape other planets to suit our needs? Do we have a moral obligation to preserve the existing state of celestial bodies, even if they seem lifeless? One perspective argues that we have a responsibility to expand life beyond Earth to ensure the long-term survival of our species. By creating a second habitable planet, we safeguard humanity against potential catastrophes on Earth, such as asteroid impacts or climate change. Another perspective emphasizes the inherent value of all life, even potential microbial life on Mars. If Martian life exists even in its simplest forms, terraforming could lead to its extinction. This raises serious ethical concerns about our right to prioritize human life over other forms of life. The debate over terraforming Mars highlights the tension between our ambition to explore and expand and our responsibility to protect and preserve. The future of Mars and our legacy as a spacefaring species depends on the choices we make. The possibility of life on Mars is one of the most compelling reasons to explore the Red Planet. While no definitive evidence of life has been found yet, scientists believe that Mars may have once harbored life and perhaps still does in the form of microbial organisms. If Martian life exists even in its most basic form, terraforming could have devastating consequences. The introduction of Earth-based organisms and the alteration of the Martian environment could lead to the extinction of native Martian life. The search for life on Mars is a driving force behind many current and future missions. The discovery of Martian life would be a monumental scientific breakthrough, but it would also complicate the ethical considerations surrounding terraforming. We must prioritize the search for life on Mars and ensure that any actions we take do not jeopardize the potential existence of Martian organisms. The future of Mars and our understanding of life in the universe depends on our responsible approach. Terraforming Mars presents significant environmental challenges. While the goal is to create a habitable environment, there is a risk of replicating some of the environmental mistakes we have made on Earth. Introducing Earth-based organisms to Mars could have unforeseen effects on the Martian environment. We must carefully consider the potential for invasive species and other ecological disruptions. Another concern is the long-term sustainability of a terraformed Mars. Creating a habitable environment is just the first step. We must also ensure that the environment is sustainable and can support life for generations to come. The environmental challenges of terraforming Mars highlight the need for a cautious and responsible approach. The future of Mars depends on our ability to balance our ambition with our responsibility to protect the planet. The argument for terraforming Mars often centers on the long-term survival of humanity. By creating a second habitable planet, we create a backup plan for our species. Earth is vulnerable to a variety of threats, including asteroid impacts, supervolcano eruptions, and climate change. By establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars, we reduce the risk of extinction and ensure the continuation of our species. The exploration and settlement of Mars also offer tremendous opportunities for scientific discovery and technological advancement. The challenges of terraforming will push the boundaries of human ingenuity and inspire new innovations. The knowledge and technologies gained from this endeavor could have profound benefits for life on Earth as well. Terraforming Mars is a bold and ambitious undertaking, but it offers the potential for a new beginning for humanity. The question remains, do we have the courage and the wisdom to pursue this extraordinary vision?